When he stood at the Olympic podium, whole of the India cheered for him. The news remained on every media platform for weeks, followed by interviews and media shows. The son of a DTC bus driver, Sushil Kumar, changed the history of Indian wrestling along with Yogeshwar Dutt and followed by many others like Amit Kumar. Suddenly, winning of a medal at the Olympics or World Championship, Commonwealth or Asian Games, and even at the national level seemed a nearer dream. Young kids started filling their presence with any akhada they could find nearby. And once a declining sport witnessed an upward trend, even women started chasing the newfound glamour of the victory. If Sushil can do it among men, then why cannot we? And soon we saw a village girl from a distant village of Haryana going to the Olympics. Girl wrestlers like Dibya Sen from a very poor background went to Mongolia for juniors competition at the Asian level and came back with the women championship. Kushti is on the rise now. At every corner of every village of India, you can witness an akhada bustling with wrestlers in their bare essentials, langoti and jangya to practice for jor or kushti. You can see their eyes filled with hope as we did watch it the Olympic medalists' eyes leaving for Olympics a few times ago. It is quite possible that one of them may bring a gold this time. Chhatrasal Stadium, popularly known as the Mahabali Satpal Akhada, among the wrestling fraternity, is the place where these wrestlers learned the art of wrestling, and Guru Satpal coached Jasveer and Ramphal. The Akhada runs the same way as it did when Sushil entered here when he was only 14 years old. The stadium is named after Maharaja Chhatrasal, whose statue is seen at the entrance. On the left side, we can see mat wrestling hall for juniors, a small temple of Lord Hanuman, ropes for climbing, and some iron structures for workouts. While there is boys' hostel at the front, young juniors start very early in the morning, and after jogging and stretching workouts, they warm up themselves for wrestling practice, followed by mat practice. While practice for seniors is done at the parking basement of the stadium, which houses mat as well as mud wrestling akhada. More than 300 students are practicing here now, and the number is going day by day. It is impossible to teach every student here. However, if somebody wants to join in, we take a trial on the basis of which we allow him to practice here, says Guru Ramphal. Chhatrasal Stadium was renovated at the times of Commonwealth Games in Delhi in the year 2010. While it was built in the year 2000, it now has best facilities a stadium can provide, like best turf at the track, sauna bath, fine seating arrangements, clean changing rooms, modern toilets, facilities of steam bath. The open ground is super. While the sitting places are covered, there is a separate portion for volleyball, handball, and basketball, where wrestler can also play for volleyball or basketball as alternate games for recreation. Beside Kushti, games of athletics, hockey, volleyball, basketball, badminton, table tennis, handball, and kabaddi, kho-kho are also played here. With seating capacity of 16,000 people, it has emerged as one of the best sporting center of India. It is a walking distance away from Ajadpur metro station also. Mahabali Satpal, who himself remains one of the best wrestlers of India at his time, he went to Olympics when the world was slowly adapting to the Olympic mat wrestling, and India even didn't have a single mat. He lost the quarterfinals narrowly but won a medal in Commonwealth Games and gold at Asian Games. He is a recipient of Arjuna, Padam Shri, and Dronacharya awards. Mahabali Satpal and his team is still working at the hardest with its wrestlers every day. From warming up to the wrestling practice, strength and stamina workouts, to climbing ropes and building power at the gym, from food to behavior of wrestlers, everything is minutely observed and taken care of. I thank Guru Ramphal for receiving me and allowing me to showcase the culture of the Akhada. It is the people like you deserve the praise for promoting wrestling. He speaks praising the people of the media.
ठीक है पानी
खेला कुश्ती है ना आज दंगल तो फिरने तो जोर करने पड़ते